Hi guys, good morning. It's me again here, Maria. Hello guys, I'm here in the church. Just finished. Now I'm going to the convent. I will ask if what time if we have some confession today. So wait. Ate, meron bang confession dito? What time?
Ay, one confession.
Oo.
Ay, guys, oh. Monday to Friday, dara, oh.
Ah, sa labas.
Wala Sunday ang confession. Ano ito?
Ah, kana ama lang na siya. So, the confession is Monday to Friday from 4:30 to 5:30 holy hour. So you guys, now I'm going to eat some tumaya. Hello. I'm so happy today. I came here. Excuse me. I just passed a bunch of people in the middle. Oh, I miss home. I miss Tago. See? Oh, I feel so free today. I feel so alive. I think my spirit just got recharged, you know? It's recharged. Tawag nun. Basta, I feel so alive. Parang may natanggal na heavy dito sa ano ko. So, you guys, going to El Canto Putumayo. Maraming ano dito. May bulaklak. Wala naman akong pambili.
May lang ma'am, 50 tulong ma'am. Nananapamili lang ma'am.
Ang ganda ng rose.
Gis lang na ma'am, gis lang rose ma'am.
Wow.
20 lang ma'am.
Gis.
20 lang
Tulo,
ma'am.
50 pwede? Wait lang. Magkuha sa puto. Tag-gis. Dili, 5. Tag-gis.
5.
Wait lang. Siguro, I'm going to buy some roses, guys. Tulo lang, te.
Deng, yun na waro. Tulo 20 tunay. Gis dahil.
Yay!
Ay, super na. Bulak ma'am, 20 lang ma'am. Oh, tulo 50. Ano? Nakaibangkok ma'am. Oh, 20 lang. Tulo 50.
Ay, pag-apila na ko yellow. Ay, pink.
Pwede ma'am.
Sige na lang,
Tulo
isa lang.
50 tanong ma'am. Pinang tulo 50? Gis dahil.
At anyway, thank you.
Ma'am, bulak ma'am. 20 lang ma'am.
I have now my flowers, guys.
Ma'am.
Dito, dami, oh.
20 lang ma'am. Tulo 50.
I got 3. 10 pesos yung isa. So, I still have 20 here. So, I'm going to buy some kakanin. Oh. Thank you, somebody told me my bag is open.
20.
Pila niya?
90.
Wala tayo 20. Gusto ko naman to. Pero 20 na lang yung pera ko. Kawawa naman. Kawawa naman. 20 lang.
55.
Kawawa naman ako. 20 na lang yung pera ko. Ano bang bibilin ko?
Nanay. 415.
Hindi na lang ako bibili. Kakain na lang ako ng Puto Maya. Init na po. Yeah. So you guys, that's all for today. I will post something later. Bye for now. I need to cross the road. Bye.